I'm not that fond of white pasta, but when I saw this, I was like, "Nahi yaar, matlab, I should try and make it
It's
once."
too easy.
Yeah, you simplified it
Yeah.
so much.
Like it's the best recipe. You should try the easiest one with the minimum ingredients you want.
Hi everyone and welcome to Sugar Spice Nice. My name is Shweta and in this video I'm sharing with you a recipe for white sauce pasta. Now this is a recipe shared by one of you guys and this series is actually called Your Secret Recipes because this is where I share recipes that you have shared with me. This is the second episode of the series and today I'm featuring Riya Kakkar from Delhi who shared her very simple yet very yummy recipe of white sauce pasta. How do I know it's yummy? Because I've tried it already and I'm pretty sure after you see the recipe you're going to want to get into your kitchen and try it because it is really that simple. And Riya actually gave us her secret ingredient that can completely change your white sauce pasta game. I've tried it so I know. So without further ado, let's just straight go and meet Riya and know all about her recipe. Come on.
Hi, Riya.
Hi Shweta ji, how are you?
Thank you. How are you?
I'm good too.
You like only white pasta or you like red sauce and pink sauce also?
It's better off the white one. I don't know why. There's a good place in Delhi, like in North Delhi itself, that's called Big Yellow Dough. It has a very good Neapolitan pasta
Yeah.
and like वहीं से मुझे पहला मतलब कह
Inspiration.
सकते हो कि I started liking it.
Riya and I actually spoke quite a bit and she also shared a healthier way to prepare this pasta. So that I will show a bit later in the video, but for now let me share with you Riya's white sauce pasta recipe and you don't need to prep too much, you don't need too many ingredients. This is simple, so let's straight jump into it.
I don't put that much cheese in it. Healthy way of making it also like instead of using the flour, you can use the powdered oats that you have it.
Right.
That's much more healthier.
Huh.
And you can use the wheat pasta.
A lot of like nice spices and all that.
Like I have a special pasta masala that I use it and a peri peri masala for sure.
एंड आप ये कितनी बार बना देते हो हफ्ते में पास्ता? आपने तो एकदम झट से फटाफट बना दिया.
We have only just 2 cheat meals in a month.
My god, did you hear that? She has only 2 cheat meals a month. That is some determination. But I honestly couldn't stop myself from heading straight to my kitchen and trying out this dish. I mostly tried to follow Riya's recipe, just added a few extra herbs here and there. And of course, I added her secret ingredient to my dish as well. So let me show you how I made this. I made this in butter. You can make it in butter, oil, ghee, whatever works for you. And then I added a chunky spoon of maida and began stirring it. And here you really need to keep stirring else it might get burnt. And once it's properly stirred, you see these bubbles almost and that's the time to add the milk. With milk, it's like a baby. You can't leave it alone even for a second. So keep stirring to avoid any lumps. And in a few minutes, you will see it thickening. And then I added some cream cheese and of course stirred it in really well. And you know your white sauce is ready when it's coating your spoon like this. Then in another pan, I heated some butter and just like Riya, I sauteed some garlic first, followed by onion and capsicum. Then I added salt and a good bit of the piri piri masala as advised by Riya and chili flakes and mixed them in really well. And to this I added the white sauce and the pasta and I also topped it with some oregano and black pepper. Mix this all really well and finally garnished with some coriander, and this is best when you have it hot, So just serve a bowl immediately, and here you can see me go totally overboard with the piri piri and chili flakes. And it's true, Riya's recipe is really simple and you can make it so quickly and so easily. It's smelling so good and it's actually still quite hot. You know, to tell you the truth, this is so easy to make. Like now I feel that red sauce pasta is a different level of prep, like you have to get the sauce ready and stuff, but this is almost like instant. And with this recipe, I honestly feel like those pre-made pasta mixes and all are not needed, because this can get ready in minutes literally. I'm not waiting anymore, I'm just gonna be having this. I didn't add too much cheese in this, it's still super creamy. And piri piri does give it a lot of spunk. I tried the sauce plain, and then of course I tried it with the masala, and it's just amazing. And you can add more or less depending on what you like. You also get a lot of ready pasta herbs and seasonings outside, but in my opinion you don't need them. Just make sure you are adding piri piri to your pasta. It'll be amazing. And to tell you the truth, I wasn't the most fond of white sauce pasta. So if you guys have been following my channel for a bit, and if you've seen my videos where I'm eating pasta, I would usually order red sauce, at the most pink sauce, rarely ever white sauce. But with this, I just feel like I'm rediscovering white sauce pasta. So while I enjoy the rest of this, let me take you back to my conversation with Riya.
Like, it's the best recipe. You should try the easiest one with the minimum ingredients you want. And it's the yummiest one, I am for sure.
How often do you cook? Do you like cook every day or sometimes?
It depends on the mood. If the mood is good, the dish would be good. If the mood isn't good, the dish won't. It would be a disaster actually. I like trying things. I made momos, I made dhokla. There are many things that I made, but golgappa आज तक नहीं बना.
पूरी नहीं बनी?
नहीं.
Oh,
I tried it for 3 to 4 times, and like now mama is like, I will make it, you don't
गोलगप्पा में वही है, मतलब अगर 50 पूरी बना रहे हो उसमें से 20 फूलेगी, बाकी की सारी पापड़ी चाट के लिए रखनी पड़ेगी.
हाँ, from 3rd class, the first thing that I made a good one was मूली का पराठा.
Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So how tempted are you to try out this white sauce pasta? Let me know in the comments if you try it and how it turned out for you, and if it turned out well, make sure you thank Riya for it in the comments here. And I'm going to leave a link to Riya's Instagram on the screen and in the description bar below, so make sure you check that. Follow her there and show some extra love to this video, because Riya has taken so much effort in filming a video and sharing it with all of us, and it really takes a lot to be able to share your work with somebody else and put yourself out there like that. And also share this recipe with all of your friends and family. Not only does it help them find a really easy white sauce pasta recipe, but it also helps my channel as more and more people discover it. And if you've missed the first episode of the series, then I'm going to link it on the screen. Make sure you watch that. And that is really it from me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.